It's good. Mga loads, mag-unbox ako ngayon ng nabili ko kanina. Yan, jackpot ako. Naka-jackpot tayo ngayon. Hold on, love. So, tiningnan ko ito online kung magkano yung price. Medyo may kamahalan siya. Pero nakuha ko lang ito ng cheaper price. So, I was so happy. Tingnan nyo. It has 4 different color. Meron siyang white. And yellow. So pretty. And ano ito, blue na, basta something blue. Oh my god. Meron pa doon na iwan, babalikan ko yun next time kung meron pa. Ito, kung anong kulay ito mga lods, turquoise. Ano itong kulay? Basta yun. So I was so lucky today kasi nakabili ako nito. Nakita ko ito. So gagamitin ko ito next time. Maybe tomorrow for my coffee. Pero you have to wash it first. I like it. Tapos ngayon, first time ko nakabili ng yung isang set. Kasi nakalagay ito sa ilalim. So, tiningnan ko. Sabi ko, totoo ba? So, thank you, Lord. Alright, Lord. So, I have pork loin. So, this is what I'm going to make. Soup for supper. So, since my husband he's not feeling well today, so I have to make him some soup. Since this is his favorite one, so I'm going to make this for him. And actually, this is pork hocks and some pork meat. So I will cook it in a stove for about 10 minutes, and then after that I will transfer it to a pressure cooker to cook it faster. So for me, I prefer to cook it in the stove. It doesn't matter how long it takes to cook it. I just like to cook it in the stove than in pressure cooker. But since it's already late and my husband, he's hungry already, so meat is a little bit tender now, so it's time to add some cabbage and some green beans and put a little bit of salt, not too much, and wait for another probably 10 to 15 minutes. As you can see, vegetable is already cooked, and of course the meat also. And yeah, time to eat.
What's really great sailing, you know, I started grab Mrs. Doug. I was a champagne on board. We leave you alone. You make love right on the boat. Well, most romantic thing in the world.
Yeah, but let's save those friends because I'm thinking of stringing them and we'll hang them up or something and we'll just string them around the tree. Christmas time. Kids do the fresh meats, right? I fold once. I fold twice or 3 times, whatever you need to fold.
It's very nice. What?
Nothing.
Don, did you decide?
Decide what?
What we've been talking about all evening? You said you would think about it and let me know.
Can I say something?